Let's explore Docker system commands for cleaning up unused resources. In this video, we'll cover commands to help you remove images, containers, volumes, and networks that are no longer in use, freeing up valuable disk space and keeping your Docker environment tidy. Docker utilizes several types of resources. Two of the main resources are images and containers. Images are templates used to create containers. Containers are the running instances of Docker images. Think of an image as a blueprint, and a container as the actual house built from that blueprint. Docker also uses volumes and networks. Volumes are for persistent data storage for your containers. If you want data to persist even after a container is stopped or removed, you would use a volume. Networks create communication channels between containers, allowing them to interact with each other. These are key components for managing data and connectivity within your Docker environment. The Docker system prune command is the go-to command for removing all dangling images, stopped containers, and unused networks and volumes. This command helps to keep your system clean and efficient by removing the clutter. To run this command, simply type docker system prune in your terminal or command prompt. To clean up unused images, you can use the docker image prune command. Running docker image prune will remove all dangling images, which are images that are not tagged and are not referenced by any container. To remove all unused images, including both dangling and untagged ones, use the command docker image prune -a. To clean up unused containers, you can use the docker container prune command. This will remove all stopped containers from your system, freeing up disk space. Alternatively, you can remove all containers regardless of their status by using the command docker rm $, open parenthesis, docker ps -a -q, close parenthesis. Be cautious when using this command, as it will remove all containers including the running ones. To clean up unused volumes, you can use the docker volume prune command. This command removes any volumes that are not currently in use by any container. Similarly, to remove unused networks, you can use the docker network prune command, which will delete any networks that are not being used. Volumes are storage locations and networks are communication channels, so cleaning them up helps reduce clutter in your Docker environment. To forcibly clean up all unused resources, you can use the command docker system prune -a volumes. This will remove all stopped containers, all dangling images, all unused networks, and all unused volumes. Be very cautious when using this command, as it will remove all unused data, and this action cannot be undone. Only use it when you are sure that you no longer need any of the unused resources. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.